In a new era of global tension and evolving military threats, the United States has unveiled one of the most ambitious defense megaprojects in modern history, the B-21 Raider. Designed to be the most advanced stealth bomber ever built, the B-21 is more than just an aircraft. It's a generational leap in strategic deterrence, engineered to redefine the future of air warfare. Developed under extreme secrecy by Northrop Grumman and the U.S. Air Force, this flying shadow is set to become the cornerstone of America's long-range strike capability for decades to come. A legacy of stealth. The B-21 Raider follows in the footsteps of legendary stealth aircraft like the F-117 Nighthawk and the B-2 Spirit. After the B-2's deployment in the 1990s, defense planners recognized the need for a next-generation bomber that could evade increasingly sophisticated radar systems, penetrate deep into contested airspace, and carry both conventional and nuclear payloads. Thus, the groundwork for the B-21 began in the early 2000s, when rising global threats from near-peer adversaries like China and Russia sparked a renewed focus on survivability and long-range precision. The classified beginning. The B-21's development was wrapped in layers of secrecy from the start. Known initially as the Long-Range Strike Bomber LRSB program, it was conceived as a highly survivable, flexible, and affordable stealth platform. The U.S. Air Force selected Northrop Grumman as the primary contractor in 2015, beating Boeing Lockheed Martin's rival bid. The B-21 earned its official name Raider in honor of the Doolittle Raiders, who conducted America's first air raid on Japan in World War II. Every design choice, from engine placement to software architecture, has been made with stealth and adaptability in mind. Budget, scale, and timelines. The projected cost for the entire B-21 Raider program, including development, procurement, and support, is expected to exceed $200 billion, with some estimates placing the total lifecycle cost closer to $700 billion over 30 years. The U.S. Air Force plans to procure at least 100 B-21s, each with an estimated unit cost of approximately $750 million. This makes it one of the most expensive aerospace programs in U.S. history. Initial flight tests began in late 2023, with operational deployment anticipated in the late 2020s. The program also includes extensive investment in support systems, logistics, spare parts, and advanced simulators to train pilots and ground crews. Design and features. The B-21 Raider is a flying wing design similar to the B-2, but it incorporates a host of next-gen technologies. It is smaller, lighter, and more fuel efficient than its predecessor. Key features include advanced radar-absorbing materials and coatings, modular open systems, architecture for easier upgrades, deep strike capabilities with both nuclear and conventional weapons, full-spectrum stealth across multiple radar bands, and reduced maintenance with improved sortie rates. The aircraft's modularity ensures that new systems can be integrated quickly as threats evolve. Crucially, the B-21 is also designed for both manned and unmanned missions, signaling a shift toward more autonomous warfare where AI could eventually assist or even direct certain operations. Engineering challenges and innovations. Creating an aircraft that can evade detection, survive in hostile airspace, and deliver precise payloads globally isn't just complex, it's revolutionary. Engineers had to solve problems like heat signature management, signal reduction, radar absorption, and AI-assisted mission planning. Northrop Grumman relied heavily on digital engineering, using virtual prototypes and simulations to accelerate development and reduce physical testing time. This digital-first approach allowed real-time collaboration between design teams, reduced costs, and identified potential failures before physical production. The Raider is also designed to integrate future weapons, including hypersonic missiles and potentially directed energy systems, making it future-proof in an increasingly dynamic threat environment. Base infrastructure and deployment. Ellsworth Air Force Base in South Dakota has been selected as the first main operating base for the B-21. The Air Force is also upgrading facilities at Whiteman AFB in Missouri and Dyess AFB in Texas to support future squadrons. These bases are receiving over $1 billion in infrastructure upgrades, including hardened hangars, cybersecurity enhancements, and underground command nodes to support the B-21's digital backbone. New command and control systems, satellite uplinks, and virtual maintenance training facilities are being integrated to ensure seamless support. These locations were chosen for their strategic positioning, existing bomber infrastructure, and potential to host future unmanned support platforms. Global strategic implications. The B-21 Raider is not just a bomber, it's a geopolitical signal. Its ability to strike anywhere in the world undetected reshapes the calculus for adversaries. Analysts view it as a deterrent tailored to challenge China's growing anti-access area denial A2AD capabilities in the Indo-Pacific. With the B-21, the US can project power deep into hostile territory without relying on vulnerable forward bases. Its inclusion in the nuclear triad also reinforces America's second strike credibility, especially important in a multipolar nuclear world with rising tensions. The B-21's stealth capabilities allow it to bypass enemy radar and defense systems, creating uncertainty and strategic pressure. The mere possibility of its deployment influences enemy planning, making it an effective psychological and military deterrent. Public debut and reaction. The B-21 was unveiled to the public in December 2022 at Northrop Grumman's facility in Palmdale, California. The rollout was a carefully choreographed event, offering a glimpse at the Raider's sleek silhouette without revealing classified details. This was the first new American bomber presented in over 3 decades, symbolizing a new era in air power. While the event captured the imagination of aviation enthusiasts and defense analysts alike, it also reignited debates over defense spending and military transparency. Supporters hail it as essential to maintaining US air dominance in an era of rapid technological advancement. Critics warn of spiraling costs, budget overruns, and the risk of an arms race, particularly with China and Russia also investing heavily in stealth and hypersonic technologies. The future of the Raider. The B-21 is designed to evolve. Its open systems architecture ensures it can be upgraded as new technologies emerge. Future iterations may include AI-assisted navigation, drone wingmen, such as collaborative combat aircraft, advanced electronic warfare suites, and integration with space-based sensors and weapon systems. In an age where air superiority is increasingly contested by hypersonics, cyber attacks, and next-gen SAM systems, the Raider is built to adapt. Analysts believe the B-21 could eventually control a swarm of autonomous drones, extending its surveillance and strike range. The US Air Force envisions the B-21 serving well into the 2070s, making it the most enduring and adaptable bomber ever conceived. Its ability to operate seamlessly in networked combat environments makes it a centerpiece of future joint operations. Conclusion: the B-21 Raider is more than a stealth bomber. It's the embodiment of a $700 billion vision to maintain strategic dominance in an uncertain world. It fuses decades of stealth innovation, digital engineering, and combat doctrine into a platform that will shape air power for generations. As adversaries build up defenses and new threats emerge, the B-21 will remain a symbol of America's commitment to readiness, reach, and resilience. In the sky above, unseen and unstoppable, the Raider is poised to write the next chapter in the history of aerial warfare. If you enjoyed this video into the B-21 Raider and want more content on military mega projects, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. We'd love to hear what you think about the future of stealth warfare. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.